Excellent question. Um, and again, one of the ways that poetry can be read to children is by children doing the readings themselves. After you expose them to any other poem through dramatic readings. The other way is also to show them a lot of spoken word performances online, because how spoken word poetry and poetry become different is spoken word poetry is poetry that no longer wants to remain on paper. It kind of lifts itself up from paper and becomes a performance. So when you turn your poem into a performance, that's what spoken word poetry can look like, and that's the potential it has. So when you ask me that how they must be read out to children, if you can learn it, and or if any other child can learn it and uh, perform it to the best of their potential, then it becomes a performance which all others can also enjoy and connect better to. So I think just using elements of theater and drama a lot more in poems can give them a very, very strong and powerful vibe.